In today's video, I'm going to share with you the top 3 reasons you may want to consider paying off your mortgage early, and I'll share why I've decided to make this a priority for me personally. Hi there, my name is Koukun and I'm a realtor and I run a real estate team here in the Niagara region. If at any point in this video you need help navigating the real estate market, hit pause and reach out to me using the contact information in the description below. I'd be happy to schedule a quick 15-minute call to discuss how I can help you in your real estate journey. Now, the reason I've started to think about this is that I'm one of the people who had a bunch of variable rate mortgages at the beginning of 2022, and I didn't lock in at any point along the way. So recently, I've decided to sell some of my properties to pay off some of these mortgages on my rental properties. And I'm fortunate that since I've owned these properties for a while, some as long as 8 years, I will receive a decent amount of profit, slightly more than what I currently owe on my home mortgage, which is also a variable rate mortgage that I watched go from 1.5% now to over 6%. I have a decision to make. Should I reinvest the money I'm receiving from these sales to try to make more money? Or should I use it to pay off my home mortgage and be mortgage free? So here are the 3 reasons why paying off your mortgage can make a lot of sense. First, paying off your home reduces risk. When it comes to creating wealth, there are 2 sides to the coin. The first is making money, and the other is not losing money. One of the challenges we face is that the future is uncertain. As Howard Marks puts it, there's a big difference between probability and outcome. Probable things fail to happen and improbable things happen all the time. Now, until recently, I've refinanced and increased my mortgages in order to buy rental properties and was focused on making more money through investing. This past year, however, has given me the experience of seeing my investment suffer and also having my business slow down significantly. This was a new experience for me on both parts because up to this point, every year was just better than the prior one, both in terms of my business and investing. When things are going great, it's tempting to increase risk and try to maximize our results. Having debt is a way of increasing risk because it is a fixed expense that needs to be paid regardless of how my investments or business does. As a result, in my case, by paying off my mortgage, I reduce my risk. This goes hand in hand with reducing my potential to make more money as well, and that is to be expected. Second, paying off your home gives you clarity in making good long-term decisions. When you have less expenses and your need to make a certain amount of income to survive goes down, it's easier to make better decisions in the long run. For example, you may choose to do work you enjoy that may pay less than, say, a job that is more stressful with a higher upfront income. And the curious part, I think, is that you will probably make more money in the long run doing something you enjoy. It just may not show up right away. This patience and clarity, I think, is very valuable when making decisions, especially investment decisions, where you can forego getting cash flow or dividends now in exchange for higher upside down the road. Third, paying off your home gives you peace of mind. This is one benefit that I don't fully understand just yet. I've heard quite a few times from people who have paid off their home mortgage that it never gets old, and there's a long-lasting satisfaction that comes from not having a fixed payment every month. I can see, especially when going through a tough time like a job loss or business challenge, how this can be very comforting, and it probably is a good feeling to know that you get to keep more of your income either to save it or to enjoy it. So in conclusion, paying off your home mortgage gives you staying power in uncertain times, which gives you clarity to make great long-term decisions while also providing you with peace of mind. As a result, I'm personally leaning towards paying off my home mortgage. If I end up going ahead with this, I will definitely make an update video then. I understand that not everyone can be in this position right now, and I'm very grateful that things have worked out this way for me. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments below. Are you considering paying off your home? Or if you have, what are some of the pros and cons? And if you're looking to buying or selling real estate in the Niagara region, feel free to contact me directly or book a call with me using the info in the description below. Until next time, all the best.